Hi, in this video I'm going to be comparing 2 quarters with 5 twelfths. What we can do is show 2 quarters as one strip divided into 4 equal pieces, and we're going to shade in 2 of them. So we've got 4 quarters and I've shaded in 2. Now the 5 twelfths, I've got the same strip of a block with the same distance, same length, and I've divided it into 12 pieces, and this time I'm going to be shading 5. Now, using this visual method, which you can use a fraction rule for, you can see that 2 quarters is bigger than 5 twelfths. Now, I'm going to try another way. I'm going to try to show you that we can write 2 quarters as twelfths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about my 4 quarters, and each of those 4 quarters I'm going to divide into 3 bits, so that altogether I have 4 lots of 3 bits, or 12 bits. This means that I'm changing the denominator of my fraction from 4 to 12. Now, as you can see, if I divide my fraction into each of my quarters into 3 pieces, I get twelfths. And as you can see, 2 quarters is the same as 6 twelfths. And so when I'm comparing 2 quarters with 5 twelfths, I can easily see that 5 twelfths is actually less than 2 quarters. So we can do this by using a method called finding common denominators. So the denominators are the numbers at the bottoms of these fractions. Now the common denominator that I've spotted is actually 12. It's actually one of the numbers that we're already using. I can see that 4 goes into 12 and 12 goes into 12. Now 2 quarters. How many times does 4 go into 12? It goes in 3 times. So we multiply our numerator by 3 so that we keep the value of the fraction the same. So how many 4s are there in 12? There are 3 4s in 12, so I multiply my numerator by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's have a look. I don't need to do any calculations on my other fraction because I've already got twelfths. Now I can see that 6 twelfths is greater than 5 twelfths, therefore 2 quarters is greater than 5 twelfths as well. So that's how to compare fractions using common denominators. And I'll just write that down for you. Common denominators.